siasa igendrete kubwata nseno tokunyara kumurikiraria agendrete gukorekana imene isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii uyu kuriye kirugo kyobo governor kurwase county ya Kisii Simba Arati ritukuria rero nigere chinga gicha gukwana n'abagusi bari chinse cia Michael gose diaspora nakorera kiria rigetigo chigikirania isiko igwekero kyoborai anekero kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii nigo chinga kichi omokonyo ye ne Robert Monda airali bageri gukwana na amenyi bare sensemeyo ekero bagendrete kwera alibagane tuko chikuba ikiranire na kubakorera amenyi be county ya Kisii chinga kicho yokorigie kero kyobo senator asense ya USA Hulda Isli nigaba krambia sukere chinga kichiabo na gukwana ibirengere byabo birbagerangere tocho ikirania asobo chorio bone buri bosio bwo chikorekana umutinyo gatana gatatu mwako yegabo chiri bubere na merongebere nebere.
With our brother Onyonka, they had started a microfinance, but it was, it's the one which was started in the US. But we want to see if we can have one. You can imagine in Kisii, we have all the national banks, the 26 of them, plus Central Bank of Kenya. We opened an office in Kisii. Therefore, is a center of business. What if we had our own microfinance or a financial institution that take care of our points within the county? Number two is to collaborate with the National Treasury to create Kisii County Infrastructure Development Bond. The only county and the municipal county which had a bond is Nairobi, but he died some time back. It's an important thing that if we have a bond, the county bond, which we can channel our resources and we can develop through it in loaning many institutions. Partnership in key sectors like education, health, art, and sports, water access involvement. Though education is a national government responsibility, we have ECD, earlier learning, earlier education, child development education, which is query, which is
na togotigara boigo asenseme yu ya siasa mubunge kitu chache South Richard Onyonka era nigeri bagalia gukwana na amenyi kurwa sensinse chesiko gose diaspora asaboiganyara kwerera ikia guchwekirania keroba kubwatira na no yokorigie kero kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii nyarwono Onyonka niga guchikorigie kero kyobo senator ase county ya Kisii.
Our decision to join our brother Simba Arati for me as a person was because I felt I needed a team of individuals that we could work with who are seized of the issues which were affecting our people, and especially a lot of money has come to the county. As of now, the Kisii County government in the last 9.5 years has received about 140 billion shillings as we speak. The major projects which are done in Kisii County are actually national government projects. In other words, if you were to do an audit, what the county government of Kisii has done in the last 10 years, it leaves a lot to be desired. If you leave politics out of it and just go through the very basic things that are required, the national Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital has been done by the national government, including what is called Mother-Child Maternal Center, national government. The mortuary in Kisii was done by the University of Kisii. If you look at most of the projects within Kisii town, they're either World Bank funded, even the stadium has been done, Kisii Stadium, which we are very all passionate about, has been done by the national government. President Uhuru last year actually gave us about 200 million. And I can go on and on and on. I think for us, we believe what we are saying. I believe that my brother Simba is going to become a hero out of this because of the fact that we must change Kisii. We can't have business as usual in Kisii. We can't have sewer running through the town where you have crime not being looked at. Even when we walk around the town center in Kisii town, you look at the children who are basically destitute. I'm so happy that Honorable Simba is passionate about it. He will occasionally feed them and clothe them. We want a compassionate governance. We want a respectful governance. We want a government that will be accountable to its people.